Hey everybody, you are looking live on tape from another overcast day here in Central Florida. Today I come to you live on tape from Tomorrowland's People Mover. That's right, I'm in Magic Kingdom. We got a storm coming, in case you missed it. We have Hurricane Milton bearing down on Central Florida. Should be here tomorrow. So I thought I'd take advantage of some low wait times and low crowds. And now it's dark. But I'll show you a little bit of the crowd levels, maybe do some attractions today. Thanks for joining me. Glad you did. Let's get to it. Alright, I've decided I'm going to try to get Galactic Hero Buzz Light Ranger spin. Did a little cheating. I looked on the internet to figure out where all the mega scoring opportunities are, so we'll see how it goes. Alright, so first attempt was 206,000. My laser, I'm blaming the laser beam because this wasn't crisp. It was well loved. So we're gonna try it again. Wait, never mind, the line's gotten long on me. It was a walk-on, 5 minutes. But give you a little bit of crowd view here. It's now, it says still 5 minutes, but I don't see the line moving. So we're gonna wait. It did break down once when I was in there, but so today, yeah, it just went up to 10. Must be down again. So today is a not so scary Christmas party day. Typically a really good time to come to Magic Kingdom, I've noticed, even if you don't have a ticket to a party. Because generally speaking, a lot of the party goers aren't going to come till later because it's open till midnight. So I've shared this tip before, but as you see, I mean, this is actually one of the most crowded parts that I've seen so far on today's visit. Do my little cut through trick. Hey, there's a fuel rod charger exchange, you know what I'm saying. Always remember this place is, I think it was a Christmas party. They gave us a free sundae, peppermint sundae. It's pretty cool. And here's a place I haven't been into quite some time. Star Traders. I don't hardly ever get to this part of the park. I don't know why. Get in here and see if there's any Stitch, man. This is Stitch headquarters. Old Cosmic Rays. Yeah, this is let's walk by 7 doors. It was 45 minutes. You very rarely see that under an hour at all. But give you an idea of the better idea of crowds. I give this a 4. But I think I am going to try to ride the Haunted Mansion if it's not too terrible. Have not ridden that in spooky season. So we'll go check that out. I got 20 minutes, why not?
Yeah, the same group too.
feel like I'm in a parade. All right, I think that's gonna do it for today. Did a couple attractions, nothing crazy, but I wanted to get into the parks before the storm came. Now I can't find my truck, but that's fine. Thanks for joining me, glad you did. If you liked what you saw today, make sure you hit like and subscribe, and if you hated what you saw today, blame Hurricane Milton. Thanks everyone, and keep the parks clean.